Welcome to March Madness, your Miami Association of Realtors interactive calendar for the month of March. In today's service, we're featuring Homeswing. Homeswing is a CRM, email marketing, and website builder all in one. Inside of Homeswing, you have access to your contacts, your calendars, email marketing, including your email campaigns, listings, and your IDX website builder. Today's tip is while using your email, you can select one of the many different colorful designs, including holidays, to apply to your email. Once applied, you can create your email, and then you can preview your email, you can save as a draft, or you can send or schedule your email for a future date and time. Homeswing is one of the many different services offered to Miami members and in your March interactive calendar. We want to thank you for watching and thank you for being a Miami member.